Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can deposit fiat on Binance. So to make deposit in euros or USD or another currency on your Binance account, you have to follow these simple steps. First of all, you could open up your Binance application on a web browser, and when you open up or log in into your account, then you could go and press on buy crypto. As you press that option, you'll be able to see this option as pay with, so go ahead and select card deposit. When you press on this option, you'll be able to see the ways to select currency and your payment method. So select the currency type first of all that you want to deposit, and make sure to select the source as well. Next, you'll be taken to this page where you have to go ahead and press on buy crypto once again and click on cash balance. As you've done that, now you need to go ahead and start entering the exact amount, all of that. Follow the prompt, and with that, you should be able to deposit fiat on Binance. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.